Welcome to this video. In this video we're going to make the camera follow a sphere in the scene. It looks something like this. When I move the sphere with the keyboard, the camera will follow it wherever it goes. That's about the general idea, so let's get started. First we're going to start a new project. File, new project. Unity sphere following grids. And there we go. The first thing we need is a plane where the ball is rolling around. So create a new plane. And go to the scene view. And of course we need a sphere. And the sphere has to be on top of the plane. Let's make the plane a little bigger. Let's make him 10. So it's big enough. Yeah, this is big enough. Okay, let's add a little grid for the textures. I prepared two textures to give the sphere and the plane a little contrast. So let's add them now. We have a green ball texture. And we have a sand texture. Yes. The sand texture we add to the plane. And let's make it a little and we add the ball green to the sphere. There we go. So now we have a green ball on a sandy texture. The next thing we need to do is add a few lines of code to have the ball move around with the keyboard. So we're going to make another folder, create folder scripts, and in this folder we're going to add a C# script, and that is called sphere controller. And we're going to add the script to the sphere. Let's open up MonoDevelop. And this part is really easy. horizontal speed, public float, vertical speed, and I'm going to need a rigid body, RB. I'm going to get components, rigid body, which I still have to add, and we're going to calculate the displacements, input, get axis, horizontal, the vertical speed, input, but get axis, vertical, we're going to give them a let's make it a little bigger. Give it an initial value. There. And now we're going to add the force to the ball. Okay, and we're going to save this, go back to Unity, go to the sphere, and I need to add a rigid body, which I just forgot. Yes. Okay, let's test it out. This should work. Let's give it a try. There we go. The ball is moving around the scene, but the camera isn't following it. Okay, so let's make the camera follow the ball. To do that, we need to create another script, and let's call this camera controller. Yes, we add the script to the main camera. And we go back to model develop. Okay, public game object, let's call it targets. This is the target that the camera will follow. Public float x offset, y offset, and z offset. These three will be the distance the camera will be from the target. We don't need start. And in the update, I'm going to say the transform of the camera position is the target transform position plus the new vector, which will be the offset, offset, z offset, and of course we want the camera to look at the target dot transform position. So it is a very easy script. We have a target, that's the sphere in our case. We have an x offset, y offset, z offset, which will be the distance the camera is from the target. We set the camera position, the target position, plus the offsets, and then we look at the target. And now, if we go to the camera, we put the sphere in the target box. If we put the sphere and we leave it at 0, let's see what happens. We should be inside the sphere. Yes, here you see it is following the sphere inside the sphere. Looks rather cool. Of course, this is not what we want. We want to be behind. Behind the sphere. So we put the z offset in the negative value, and we want to be above. Let's try 10. See how it looks. Yes, we are above and behind. And as you can see, the camera is following the sphere wherever it goes. You can play a bit with the values, make it a bit higher, and it looks like you're looking down, more down on the object. And if you make it further back, you should be looking more in front. Yes. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it is very easy to follow an object. Just a few lines of code. You can do really awesome things with this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like watching these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel and I will try to make more. Thank you very much.